How to check devices linked to Amazon account. Please leave a like if this helps. So hover over your name to the top right of the Amazon homepage and then click on your account. From here, scroll down until you find Content and Devices. Now click on Devices to the top tab, and you will then see all of your services that you use within Amazon. So for example, if I click on Amazon, which is the Amazon app, we will see that I have connected 4 devices over the years, a device in 2020, 2020, and finally 2022. And if you want to deregister a device, just click on deregister and it will no longer be connected to your account. You can then check all of the services that you use. So for example, Audible, I've connected a few devices over the years, and you can just go through all of your services to see what devices are connected to what services on your Amazon account.